Hello and welcome to the episode 3 of Code Deep Dive. In the last episode, I showed what happens to the standard vector when elements are added to it. In this episode, I'm going to show which vector properties we can access. Some of the properties we already saw in the previous episode, one of which is size. The other one is capacity. Then there is max size that we are already familiar with. And the last is data. Let's run the code and deep dive. The size function returns number of elements in the vector. It calculates pointer difference between element after last element and first element. The type returned is size t. The expected value is 6. The capacity method uses similar logic. It's a difference between end of storage and first element. Method returns total number of elements that allocated memory can store. We could calculate number of new elements that can be pushed back into the vector without reallocating storage by subtracting size from capacity. Max size is the largest possible vector that can be allocated in this environment. There's also data property, which returns a pointer to the beginning of allocated storage. mData pointer returns pointer itself. If we display memory content, we see the data stored in the array. Let's print vector properties on each pushback operation. Let's run this now. In the beginning, all properties are 0, and as soon as the new element is added, memory of capacity 1 is allocated. Then, whenever capacity equals size, data pointer changes. This is important as we should not take the value of the pointer for granted if we store data return value in the variable or other property. In this and previous video, we saw internals of the vector. In the next video, let's have a closer look to the allocator class. Thank you for watching.